take a call whether Zilla Parishad elections will be held on party lines or not. In fact, I have asked the party to decide, and alongside the government, we will be deciding whether it will be on party lines or not. But more or less, we have decided Zilla Parishad elections have to take place by mid-March. Code of conduct will come a month earlier, and we will conduct the election smoothly. Once it goes in the domain of the state election commissioner, it is for them to conduct the election. We have already indicated our mind to them. Common cadre is being implemented, data was being collected. I have a new director who is hardly 2 days or 1 day in his seat. That is the topmost priority. I have given certain priority area. That is one of the priorities.
By when it could be implemented? Any
In
deadline?
January.
January, from January it would be
In
implemented.
January it will be.